How to create a one-time QR code and share by image or link. One-time payment QR code. Click Bot. This is a one-time payment QR code. You can directly share QR code image or link. Click Share. Note, this QR be paid once and cannot be reused. Choose sharing method. For example, QR code image. Long press the image to save. Click Save to camera roll. This is the message I received after the payment. You can also set one-time payment QR code of a certain amount. First, set up your preferred currency. Click Set Up. Select a currency as quotation currency. Select a currency as settlement currency. Note, you will be settled in this currency. If you choose Receive Any Currency, you will receive any currency paid by the other party. Click Confirm. Then set amount. Input the amount. Share QR code image or link. This time choose a link. This is the message I received after the payment.